All right, guys, 2015 BMW 328i 4-door coupe turbo. Let me let you guys hear what we done on it. So, got converter right there. Flex pipe, 3-inch pipe all the way back. Then we did a mid resonator delete right there. That's the resonator. There, we took it off. Then 3-inch pipe continues. Then we did 2.5-inch pipe out the back. It had a valve on it, so we just cut it and welded it on to the side, as you guys can see right there. So the Beamer thinks it's opening and closing like it's supposed to. We tricking the Beamer community. Anyways, then we finished it off with this carbon fiber black tip 4-inch, because why not? It looks clean, nice. Just something a little different on this beautiful 328i right there. And there's the massive muffler right here that we cut off. So stay tuned, guys. We're about to let you guys hear it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Oh my God. Heck yeah. Any other work done to the motor? There's sound decibels? 104. I love how it jumped. That's He just bought it and said, I gotta bring it to exhaust addicts. Too quiet. So I don't blame him. Alright guys, stay tuned. We're gonna let you hear it on the inside. Here we go, guys. 328i BMW. Damn! Enjoy, guys.